Matthew's
21.
I'll get both of them. This is Matthew's 1 and 21. And she shall bring forth a son, and thou shalt call his name. Verbatim.
Yeah, exactly.
Jesus.
And Jesus means the deliverer. He's the deliverer or the savior of one world, which is the Israelites, okay? Remember, the Lord created many worlds, okay? He created many worlds, according to Hebrews 1 and 1. In Hebrews, the 11th chapter.
For he shall save his people from their sins.
Exactly, because the Israelites are given the law, okay? So they can't transgress the law. So he's going to say, so Yahweh Shai, so-called Jesus Christ, is going to be born, is going to die on the cross to redeem Israel, okay? As Isaiah 14:1, you said that Israel was going to be chosen, right?
This is Matthew 2 and 6. And now Bethlehem in the land of Judah are not the least among the princes of Judah. For out of thee shall come a governor that shall rule my people Israel.
Exactly. So the Lord is the governor of Israel, the king of Israel. Which question?
Well, they asked the question. They said it's man. Like they said, y'all say the 12 tribes of Israel is like North America, South America. I'm about to show. I want to show you like the thing I seen online or whatever.
I know what he's talking about. The so-called white man. I know what he's talking about. So-called white man says the different tribes are different countries, and America's one of them. Europe is one of them. Asia, yeah.
Is that what you're getting at?
It says the 12 tribes.
You don't have to read it. Just sum it up in your own words. Okay?
Like it's like a map.
Just sum it up in your own words. We're limited with time. We're limited with time. Just sum it up. Sum it up.
Because the way we know this one.
The whole thing of it is it's not in the Bible. What we're
exactly.
explaining.
Those people on that map don't fit prophecy. Period. Okay. Period. That's why we know the so-called white man's not a Jew. There's a prophecy. They don't fit prophecy.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. Let me ask you this. Okay. So what do you know about the Canaanites? Because I was reading like the actual facts. You know the actual facts books, Malachi York, and all that. Like he said, like okay, the white man is actually the Canaanites that took over Egypt or whatever. You know what I'm saying?
Well, the Canaanites are dark-skinned people. Do you know that?
Yeah.
The Canaanites come out of Ham. Get that Genesis 10 chapter?
Yeah. Genesis 10. Genesis 10.
And also the Canaanites don't fit the prophecy according to the white man.
Yeah, the Canaanites are burnt, black, and burnt.
Yeah, they're Hamites.
That's exactly.
Get 10th chapter. So-called white man is pale, okay? So-called white man didn't even exist back then.
Ham. Genesis the 10th chapter.
Go into Ham's genealogy.
Yeah. It'll be right around the. It'll be right around the 6th verse. I'm the one.
It has like all the 12 tribes of Israel. I got it from Wikipedia.
You see it?
You know what I'm talking about? But it's like it's all the 12 tribes of Israel are like in Israel. You know what I'm saying? Like it's Simeon, Judah, Ephraim, Dan, Manasseh.
Oh yeah, that's accurate. That's right. That's right.
So like. When I see this, I'm like, oh, the 12 tribes of Israel, they're a bunch of Arabs. You know what I'm saying? Like,
no. This picture, we had that all our Bibles. Okay? This picture of how the tribes with the I don't have. It's just a picture of how the tribes when Joshua conquered Canaan. He divided the lands according to that. Okay, according to how the map is right there, or close to it. Okay. So back in during Joshua's time, when he killed the Canaanites off, not killed them off, but pushed them out of the land, each tribe got inheritance, okay? The tribe of Ephraim got a certain plot of land, the tribe of Judah got a certain plot of land, the tribe of Simeon got a certain plot of land. That doesn't qualify for a modern map of who the tribes are today, okay?
Okay.
Because
that's
the point I'm trying to make. That doesn't qualify who the actual tribes are today.
Right.
Okay.
Okay.
Actual tribes are today. We know that by prophecy. Okay.
Jeremiah 17 verse 4. And thou even thyself shall discontinue from thy heritage.
So thou even thyself shall discontinue from thy heritage, meaning that Israel wasn't basically going to know who they were. They wasn't going to know who they were. They weren't going to know that they were Israelite. They weren't going to know how to speak Hebrew. Okay. They weren't going to know where the land of Israel was.
Did a bastard
Lost their
shall
heritage.
dwell in thy land?
The so-called Jews.
A bastard shall dwell in thy land?
Those bastards dwell in Ashdod.
Yeah.
We talked on that over that earlier.
Yeah.
So the real Israelites, according to prophecy, was going to lose their identity. Okay. We know that those so-called Jews are not the real Israelites because they, once they converted to so-called Judaism, which is wicked as hell, it's not according to the Bible. Okay. There was no break in between them not knowing who they were, losing their Yiddish, their language, and their heritage of who they were. It was a steady line going all the way through. They never lost their heritage. Okay, we lost our heritage through slavery. Okay, that's one piece of evidence how we know that we're the Israelites. Right?
And the real Jews today, along with the rest of these tribes, they're not in their land.
Yeah, according to prophecy. Yeah, according to prophecy, the real Israelites, they're not in the land of Israel yet. The prophecy is when Israel returns to their land, that's when God's going to actually put them back in that land.
Okay. So all right.
So if you call yourself an Israelite and you in land of Israel calling yourself an Israelite, you're not a real Jew. Because the prophecy is when God comes back, he's going to put them in their land.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay? So those Arabs are not the real Israelites, they're not real Palestinians, okay?
Oh, you got it.
The Palestinians are a tribe of the Egyptians. The real Palestinians are a tribe of the Egyptians, okay? And the so-called white people over there, they're Edomites according to the Bible. Esau, okay? And the Canaanites are dark-skinned people, okay? The Canaanites come out of Ham, okay? He's one of Ham's sons. And the Bible dictionary tells you that, okay? And anyway, in the ancient world, there were no white people. Okay? The first so-called white person or Caucasian person came on Earth through
y'all got the
Isaac
Bible
and Rebecca.
dictionary?
Okay?
You gotta help?
Genesis 25:25
Yeah,
said
okay.
the first
Read
came
that,
out red,
read that.
all over like a hairy garment. That's referring to the first so-called white man being born on Earth.
You got the
When it says
on Ham?
first came out red, it means that
Ham's
the baby didn't have
genealogy?
any pigment in the skin. The so-called white people, they have leprosy. Okay? Basically, what that does is you have no pigment in your skin, so the blood shines through your skin. So you look pink, red, okay? So in Genesis 25:25, it said the first came out red, all over like a hairy garment. Okay, that's the first so-called white man on Earth.
So y'all saying it's Edomites, not
Esau.
Canaanites.
Right.
We don't prove to you that the Hamites are black.
Yeah, because all the prophecies that fit Esau fit the so-called white people.
All right, let's get on Cain. Let's get on Canaanites. Get on
When
Canaanites.
it talks about the so-called white man coming out all red all over like a hairy garment, this is him.
It's pink, meaning having no pigment, the blood showing through their skin. Okay? The Canaanites, they were burnt, they were black. They were burnt, they were dark-skinned people. They wasn't our people, they were just dark-skinned people, okay? The so-called white man is the only person of people on the earth that don't have pigment in their skin. Okay? Shem, Ham, and Japheth, that came out of Noah's Ark, they were all dark-skinned people, including Noah. Alright, genealogy on Ham. That's what I want.
Let's start from the first verse. Genesis 10 verse 1. Now these are the generations of the sons of Noah, Shem, Ham, and Japheth.
It's the devil, you know.
Unto them were sons born after the flood.
Okay? So his sons that were born after the flood, okay? I mean, Shem, Ham, and Japheth, Noah's sons. They all gave birth to sons. Cain was one of them, okay?
Genesis 10 verse 6. And the sons of Ham,
Trying to make a good thing out of a bad situation, you know? Him being the word child, that's bad.
and the sons of Ham, Cush and Mizraim, and Put and Canaan.
He said the sons of Ham, Cush, Mizraim, Put, and you said Canaan? Do that again.
And the sons of Ham, Cush and
The sons of Ham, you got the Bible dictionary? And the sons of Ham, do that again.
And the sons of Ham, Cush and Mizraim, and Put and Canaan.
So the sons of Ham, one of his sons was Canaan, okay? Read the Bible dictionary.
This is Ham in the Bible dictionary.
All right, Ham.
Ham, the youngest son of Noah, born probably about 96 years before the flood, and one of 8 persons to live through the flood. He became the progenitor of the dark races.
Say he became the progenitor of the dark races, meaning the father of, or the forerunner. Ham. Yeah. Remember, Ham's son was Canaan. Read that again. Ham's son was Canaan, okay?
The youngest son of Noah, and one of 8 persons to live through the flood. he became the progenitor of the Doric race.
So Dr. York, so-called Dr. York, is a fucking liar.